Hey there, and welcome back to our channel where we make forex trading easy and super fun to learn. Today we are uncovering a key term that every trader should know, the spread. This concept is crucial for understanding the cost and opportunities in trading. By the end of this video, you will not only know what a spread is, but also learn how to use it to optimize your trades. So buckle up and let's jump right in. So what is spread in forex trading? Imagine that you are walking into a currency exchange booth. You notice two prices displayed, one for buying and one for selling the currency. The gap between these two prices is what we call spread in the forex trading. Simply put, the spread is the difference between the selling price that is bid and the buying price that is asked for a currency. So let's break this down further. The bid is the rate you will get if you sell the currency. The ask price is the rate that you will pay when you buy the currency. So now that you know the basics, let's dig into why the spread matters and how it can impact your trading decision. Why should you care about what the spread is? The spread isn't just a number. It plays a big role in shaping your trading outcomes. And here's why it's important. Number one is the trading cost. Think of the spread as an entry fee to place a trade. Before your position becomes profitable, you need to recover this cost. Number two is impact on profits. A smaller spread means that you will spend less on transaction fee, allowing you to maximize your gains. Number three is market clarity. The size of the spread gives you an insight into the market activity. A tighter spread indicates that a highly active and liquid market, while a wider spread indicates that lower activity or higher risk. But what influences the spread? Spreads are not static. They can shift due to various factors. Let's explore a few key reasons why spread changes. Number one is the market volatility. During major events like the economic announcements, spreads can widen because traders became more conscious. Number two is currency popularity. Commonly traded pairs like euro to US dollars often have tighter spreads, while less popular or exotic pairs like US dollar to the South African rands have wider spreads. Number three is trading sessions. Certain times of the day, such as when major global market overlaps, can result in smaller spreads due to increased trading activities. But now, what is fixed versus variable spreads? What is the actual difference? Let's talk about types of spreads that you will come across. Number one is the fixed spread. As the name implies, this spread remains constant no matter what's happening in the market. Fixed spreads are often offered by specific brokers and can be helpful during volatile times. Number two is the variable spread. These spreads change based on market conditions. During calm periods, they tend to be narrow, but during high volatile events, they can be widened significantly. Both types have their pros and cons, so it's essential to choose the one that aligns with your trading style. So now let's sum it all up. Number one is that the spread is the gap between the selling, that is bid, and the buying, that is the ask price of the currency pair. It is a key trading cost that impacts your profitability. Spreads can be influenced by factors like market volatility, trading sessions, and the currency pairs being traded. They can be fixed or variable depending upon your broker and market conditions. Understanding spreads will not only help you manage your trading costs, but also will give you an edge in making informed decisions. So that is all for today's video. If you found this explanation helpful, then be sure to hit that like button and share it with your fellow traders. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more bit-sized forex lessons. Got any more questions or topics that you want us to cover? Then drop them in the comment section below. And we will see you in our next video.